crown before the ink of foreign sound. Our names were sung by stars and tide. From Bharata's fire the path was tied.
Sow in baskets, sacred ground.
Carried by feet where rivers wound. The ancestors spoke in wind and flame.
Goes out, REWA will know your name.
Down the coast where the river breathes, mangrove arms and delta reeds. No Tapua stood in time when mana fell with word and sign.
Not by spear,
alone they stayed, but thousand trust in bonds they made. The river bent, the people grew. REWA rose where the waters knew. Across the sea, one spirit, many islands, one Vanua, one story. Tuidreketi stands in grace, manna carried, not replaced. Beside the Vunevalu's hand, shield and spear of riverland. Power shared, not torn apart. Wisdom head and warrior heart. From woman's line to battle vow, the chiefs still walk among us now. I'm running on. Devils are woven like a man. Many strands were stories sad, Burinavalu, names that time could not undo. From Valley Coast and River Bend, each a guardian, each a friend.
different paths,
One genealogy standing strong in unity.
in response, mercy.
Oh, yeah. From lake or by shore, we hear your call. Across the tide, across the fall, the same old names our elders knew still cross the way. From lake or by shore, we hear your call. Across the tide, across the fall, the same old names our elders knew still across the wall.